what is the stance we do?
Forward.
One
We do
leg
like this?
One
No.
leg forward.
Cannot be balanced.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's always one leg forward.
Or we do like this one?
Yes.
Okay.
You have more
So
strength.
get it? That's why we do the forward stand. So that we can generate power. First thing is to balance our body. So our body is not leaning forward. Because if you're leaning forward, means your force is not too strong to push the thing.
Yes.
Okay? So you must be balanced. Look at my body straight. Okay, if I want to push this thing heavy, so I need to come up and do like this one. Push. If I push, I have more power. But if I'm apart from the heavy thing, apart like this one. If I push like this, do you think I can generate more power? No, right.
Possible.
I can push but no power.
Yes.
So you need to be stable. Stable. Forward stance. Look at my leg, not here. Because like this one, I push no power.
No power. You get out balance.
So my leg should be far apart.
Yeah.
Okay? Not same line like this. Because it will make me out balance. Okay? Should be like this one. That's why we need to perfectly execute the forward stance properly. Because if we don't know how to do the forward stance, we don't know how to launch the attack or any strike. Okay, that is the purpose. That is the dynamic why we do the forward stance. So that we can generate power at a certain distance. Okay? Because if we do like this, then your body is going to